Located in JAFZA, Jebel Ali, easyHotel is within a 15-minute drive from Ibn-Battuta Mall. UAE Exchange metro station is a walking distance from the hotel. It offers a restaurant and a 24-hour front desk that can arrange ironing and laundry service upon request. All the rooms at easyHotel Jebel Ali are fitted with tiled floors. Each room comes with a flat-screen TV, a safety deposit box and a wardrobe. Some rooms overlook the city, others have internal windows with a shop's view. Dubai International Airport is 45 minutes by car from easyHotel Jebel Ali. Free private parking is possible on site. Jebel Ali is a great choice for travelers interested in shopping, luxury brand shopping and clothes shopping. Do you like an offer? Please, follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.